Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the brand new video. This is Protein Shake and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as discussed in my previous videos, मैं बोला था कि I am going to add one sneaker every month to my collection, one super sneaker every month into my collection. If you have seen my previous video where I've added Puma carrots to that collection, because all these things are limited and not that expensive, but it's in a mid-range, somewhere around above 10k, 15k. Let's begin the video. Before we start the video, pehle let me show you guys my new video making setup. So this is my new ring lights, my laptop, my desk here, another ring light here, and my new camera A6700 with Sony 11mm lens, and here I'm shooting this video with this camera and the mic. So this is my new vlogging setup. So now let's unbox the shoes. Also I'm going to share a sneaker story with you all. सबसे पहले तो I'll show you guys my previous shoes. So जो लोग भी पुराना vlog नहीं देखे, I've already unboxed and shared this shoe with you all in my probably vlog 47 or 46 maybe. So this is the Puma carrots. So these are my first shoes which I've added to my super sneaker collection. So these are the carrots. So this is my number one shoe, and amazing shoe. You can see this suit texture, and I have multiple pair of lace, white color, green color and all. And this is my number one sneaker. You can order this from Puma website. Two size is UK 10 and US 11. So this is my first shoe which I've added to the collection, और ये मैं already share कर चुका था मेरे पुराने वीडियो में, but just for the reference I'm sharing it again. This is my first sneaker, and my second sneakers are Air Force. And these are the University Gold Air Force. This is going to be my training shoes, and pretty much comfortable. If you are looking for a good training shoe, then University Golds are the best. And I've ordered this from a website, Veg Non-Veg. They give some amazing quality shoes. मतलब आपको fake नहीं मिलता. You will get the original genuine product from them. A very big sneaker selling company. I am going to add to my collection Air Force University Gold. And my third pair of sneakers are Puma Jack Hammers, and these are my favorite shoes. You can see the color of the shoes, बहुत amazing. इसका texture है, suit texture. I don't know why, but I love the suit textures on my shoes. And same thing, limited edition. ज़्यादा लोग को ये सूट नहीं करते. You need to carry these shoes, and this is the third shoe which I am going to add to my collection. You can see the suit texture and a good 1.5 inch sole here, and also Puma logos here, Puma Gold logo here, and also you have a Puma Gold logo here, and you have your laces on this, black and blue. This is going to be my third pair of sneakers which I am going to add to my collection. And my fourth sneakers are Jordan's Legacy 312, and this is also one of my training shoes. I am going to use these sneakers for the training. Jordan logo here and logo here, and you have a Nike strap, Velcro strap here, and these are my training pairs. This one and also the Air Force One University Gold is what I'm going to use for my trainings, and these are pretty cool for the trainings. I'm using it for almost all the workouts. I already have the red color in my collection, and I'm using it already, and these are the fresh one, number 4 pair of sneakers which I'm going to add to the collection. And these are my fifth pair of sneakers, Nike Dunks Low Malachite Gum. Dunks are like pretty much light and easy to carry, and it's very easy, and it goes super well with your jeans and trousers. And yeah, it's pretty much light, and I've ordered this from USA. मेरा भाई आ रहा था USA, so I've asked him to get this pair, and this is pretty much comfortable. And I'm not going to use this for my trainings, but definitely I'll be using this for my whenever I travel or whenever I wear a jeans or something. Then definitely I'm going to use this. So these are my 5th pair of sneakers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, these are my 5th pair of sneakers. So this is my 6th pair of sneakers, Nike Court Visions. This look pretty much similar to Air Force, if you can see. So these are the Air Force and these are the Court Visions. Definitely there is slight difference in the coloring and all. Even the material is pretty much different. Air Force is pretty much hard and tough, and these are the Court Visions, and not as heavy and tougher as Air Force. And also the sole part is pretty much smaller and kind of a budget sneaker. Air Force cost you somewhere around 9,000, 8,000 to 10,000, and this costs somewhere around 6,000. This is kind of a budget shoe, and I'm going to use this for my training as well. These are the pair of sneakers I've added to my collection. Actually plan था कि मैंने में सिर्फ एक ही शू ऐड करना, but fortunate enough that I've added these many shoes to my collection, and almost there are like 6 sneakers as of now. But I'm not going to add Court Vision to this collection because I don't think that falls under premium thing. So ये है कुछ 5 sneakers: Carrots, Jackhammers, Dunks, Air Force, and yeah, Jordan. So these are the 5 sneakers which I've added so far, and I have to add more as well. So I wanted to share a small story with you all. So जब मैं BTech में था 2016, final year of my engineering, so a lot of my friends used to wear sneakers. जब से मेरे को एक sneaker का addiction आ गया था, but जब उतना पैसा नहीं था, so I used to buy a fake sneakers from different marketplaces. There are many Shopify websites also, and also there are many offline stores also where you can get the fake sneakers for almost like 2,000, 3,000. For example, you can buy the Air Force for like 2,000 rupees. Definitely the quality won't be the same, but वो time पे पैसे नहीं थे, so I used to buy the fake sneakers. So I did that for almost 3 years. I used to buy different sneakers. I have got a realization that I am wearing a fake sneaker. Though people don't know that those are fake, but somewhere I've realized that will definitely impact the way I think about myself. And the moment I got the realization, I have thrown all of my sneakers, all of the fake sneakers. Then I've never invested on any fake sneakers. मैं दिमाग में एक चीज़ रख लिया था कि जब I have enough money, I'll buy the sneakers, I'll invest on the sneakers. And जब तक मैं sneakers पे invest नहीं करूँगा, जो भी मैं invest करूँगा एक ही जूता लूँगा और उसको पेन के रगड़ के उसको यूज़ करके ख़राब करे तक वही पहनना है. एंड आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट नाउ आई हैव इनफ मनी एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड दिस स्नीकर कलेक्शन. सो द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़ नेवर इन्वेस्ट इन अ फेक थिंग्स, फेक स्नीकर्स, फेक वॉचेस, फेक शर्ट्स, एवरीथिंग. अपनी औकात में जो है वो लेना एंड उसमें खुश रहना. यही है ज़िंदगी. फेक चीज़ लेके पहन के अगर अपन दिखावा भी कर दिए, यू विल स्टिल फील बैड अबाउट योर सेल्फ. ज़िंदगी में एक चीज़ याद रखो, खुद के ऊपर अपने को नेगेटिव फीलिंग नहीं आना. एंड वेन एवर यू डू द फेक थिंग्स, वेन एवर यू ट्राई टू शो योर सेल्फ विच यू आर नॉट, डेफिनेटली यू विल फील दैट एंड यू विल फील प्रिटी बैड अबाउट योर सेल्फ. सो मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज never invest in fake things. Always wait for your turn and buy the original good quality things. Learn to invest on yourself, learn to make yourself happy. So ये था कुछ छोटा सा वीडियो. होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया. I'm going to order a sneaker boxes and I'm going to store all these sneakers in that box. This video is not to show off or something. I just wanted to show you all that we all can work hard and buy things whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. These sneakers are one of the things which makes me happy, so I'm investing in the sneakers. And this is not a show off video or something. This is just to motivate you guys to work hard and invest on yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Protein Shake signing off. Bye bye, and please do like the video and also comment down if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Protein Shake signing off. Bye bye.